let's make a day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing magnet fishing with my sisters and my mum and dad. And yeah, this is the magnet, but I actually haven't had a look at the magnet yet. So I'm going to open it up and see what it looks like. This is going to take forever.
2 hours later.
Yes, guys, I finally opened it. So it actually came with these blue gloves, which we already bought these green gloves, but who cares? It's fine. Now we're going to go over there, since this doesn't seem like a juicy spot. This is the perfect spot to do dancing and magnet fishing.
2 hours later.
Guys, it's time to start throwing it in. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. This is interesting. Gonna leave it in for a couple of minutes and actually, let's see if there's anything on there. I think there's definitely something on there. Nope, there's nothing on there, just fishing line. Let's try it again. 3, 2, 1. I think that might have been a good one. Guys, I don't think there's anything on there.
Hi.
I had something. It's over there somewhere. There's something over there. Oh yeah. You sure that's metal? It might be a stick.
Daddy knows that everything eggs. You could see in water, can't you? I can. I got it for you.
Guys, it's a golf club. Why would there be a golf club? Guys, there's a golf club in here. I never knew you could do golf in the water. Oh, I almost missed the water. That was a good one. That was a good find. Now for the second find, my brother's gonna do my sister's gonna do it. So I'm out. Peace.
Go. Lula, don't hold it. Can you tell her to get off? Get off it. Guys, now it's my turn, but it was supposed to be my little sister's go. You heard us fighting. And so, yeah, let's go. I think it's not going to be a good spot. But I think I'm going to go where the spot. That was a good spot. I'm just going to let it sat for a minute. I think that's a good. Oh, wait, I see. Oh, can I just check again? It's a good spot. Wait, that wasn't a good spot. I know it wasn't. No, it was. No. Give it far way back. I'm trying to end it. Do it. There.
That was a good one, Betsy.
There you are, baby. That's what you're meant to do, baby.
I'm going to do some dancing.
Gonna wait for a while. I see some. Oh, it's really heavy.
That's a stick. That's what we've actually caught 2 sticks.
And 2 lily pads.
2 lily pads.
Wow,
And
but
no
because there's a bit.
algae. Yeah. You need that stupid stick.
Matilda, can you go? Okay, so. And something might come to it. So, guys, I'm just gonna wait for a while. If there's nothing, then I'm just gonna try over again or something. I might give my little sister a go, which is right here. She's got the red net that matches the rope. I think that's enough waiting. There might be something at the bottom. Nothing at the bottom, guys. That's a good throw. There might be something down there. No, Lula. Where's that? Do it over a different side. Mummy's recording you instead. Look. I'm gonna wait for a minute.
I think we should put it in now, Betsy. Oh, that was so close, Betsy. I think you had something, but then I think it might have just like let go by the minute.
Should I just have like another go and see?
Let me just see quickly before you go one more time. If I can check something.
Hello.
I think I can see something glistening there. I think if you throw it in, just
okay.
here, I think we'll get something.
Was that good, Dad?
I think so.
I don't think I got it. No. Let me try throwing that in again, because I think I did see something glistening as well. No, I think I should chuck it in like a bit, like kind of closer a bit to like over like there or something. So I'm going to try over there or something. I think that was a good spot. No, still not anything. I'm going to try next to like the lily pads over there. This is 3, 2, 1. I think that was a good one. Oh, I can see loads of bubbles. Oh, I've got something. Oh, I just dropped it. Guys,
Oh my god, what is this?
it's a box.
What?
Guys, what is this? I knew next to the lily pads would be a good one. Quick. Yes, I got it. Guys, I found a box.
What?
What is this? Let me see what's inside
Oh
it.
my god. Oh my god.
It's loads of...
What?
What is this?
Money.
It's not money.
Are you serious?
It's not money. What is this?
Coins.
What is that, guys?
Mum,
Comment
what,
down below if you know what that is.
Mum, what kind of money is that?
idea.
Is it Spanish?
It's like Roman or something.
I think that's
probably.
Roman. Honestly, guys, this is actually not a joke.
What the heck, Tildy?
Comment down below. No, Betsy, get out of that because it could be rusty. We need to try and get all of this water out of here.
Take the money out.
Let me see. Let me make sure that box is safe.
We don't know what
Let
this
me
is.
check that. Let me check that. Why don't you show the camera the money? That is crazy.
It says Ultimate Survival Kit.
Oh my gosh, is it
Professional
from the army or
issue.
something?
Army money. It could be army money.
Oh my god. And then it's got north, east, west, and south. Guys, look
I
at this.
can't believe we just found this. It's so cool. I'm just gonna check it if we drained all the water out. To finally check.
Hey, Betsy.
How do we open it?
That way. Yeah, all of the water is drained out the ice, but literally that is so cool.
Yeah, I think we could buy something with it still.
I don't think so,
It's
Betsy.
so
because it's
cool.
not real money.
Yeah,
Well, it is real money, I think.
I think
Yeah, but
yeah.
this says this is basically from the war. This is a war box, and then the stuff that's in here
It's like
is
money.
money.
Money
It's
stuff.
like Roman money, basically.
Yeah.
But that is just weird. I think bums. Why do I keep doing that? I think I'm going to show and tell this at school because this is just crazy.
Yeah, like so
This
crazy.
is so crazy. I just don't believe it.
Guys, now it's my turn.
That was a good one, Lou. Now we just have to wait a minute.
I'm waiting.
Lou, let go of it for a minute because it hasn't gone quite under yet. Right now, Lou, do you want to help me pull it up?
Yeah.
I think you've got something on here. Oh no, you don't. I don't think you haven't.
And I have a double though.
One. Yeah, you can have a go.
I said
One more
two those.
Yeah, let me just strip this block off. It thinks it's magnetic. 3, 2, 1, go! That was a good one, Lou. Now let go of it.
I
so it can
want to
sink
hold
to the
it.
bottom. Okay. Now, do you want to lift it up now? Oh, you didn't get anything.
Then.
I'll just swim. Watch out then, girls.
Dad, what are you doing? Dad, that went far.
That was so
Right,
I'm
now,
not
hang on a second, Lula. Let me just see if I can pull anything in, feel anything. No, hang on there. Let me just see if I can feel anything. Oh, I can feel something heavy. Almost maybe.
I'm gonna help you with it.
Hang on, Lucas. It's quite heavy. Let go of it for a moment.
I can do it. So
Let
don't
go.
fall on.
Okay. Oh, hang on, Lou. It's getting quite heavy. Hang on, Lou. Let go for a moment.
Can I help you?
Hang on a second.
Maybe I touched something.
Oh, there was something there.
Something that I
Right.
want to do it again. So, guys, you can either buy it from Amazon, or you could buy it from the shop. As you could see, it's got the instructions at the back. It's got these those things, and it's got the lock thing in. As you could see, I don't really know what is this. Basically, it's like this thing or something. And please, if you want to buy it from Amazon, just please do, and then you might catch like this a diamond or the things that we got. And guys, please subscribe and like in the comments if you want to buy some of these. It's fine, and always be lovely.
Guys, that magnet fishing, what we did was actually like really fun because my dad found this golf club over there, and it was just shining. I thought it was a stick at first, but it wasn't. And then I actually found this box, so I literally like threw it in over where the lily pads are, and I thought it was just like a normal box of plastic. I thought it was white, but it wasn't. When I pulled it up, I was like, oh my god. And then when I pulled it up, when it was like close enough to the dock, I gripped my hands into this back bit, and I pulled it up onto the dock. And when I looked inside it, it was like the Roman money, which I thought was actually really cool. Hang on, guys, it's going to drop. It's going to drop. It's going to drop. It's going to drop. There we are. Guys, literally look at all of that. There's bronze, gold and silver. Comment down below actually what from money you know what that is. If you do, then just comment it down below. But guys, I think even though we found 2 things, I think that was a really good like first magnet fishing finds, because these things are like actually really crazy. You wouldn't really find these in like lakes or ponds or anything. So guys, I would like you to like and subscribe and always be kind.